Great.
Welcome to our kitchen. So
Okay.
I'm making mug cake. My mom over here is making crumpets,
Okay.
which is also flat.
But you're gonna
Which is
help
tiny
me.
packets.
You're gonna help me with the crumpets, right?
Yes, I'm also gonna make my mug cake.
Okay. Can you wait for that for a
But I
little
wanna
bit?
do my mug cake.
Okay. First of all, do this together, ne? Remember, I told you I don't like you actually breaking the egg because you're gonna. No, wait! You didn't wait for me. 1, 2.
Hey, you guys washing our eggs?
My God.
How did that work out, babe? We did this on purpose, babe.
Okay, you guys can go ahead.
Are you ready? Okay, we're gonna go at and then do you know how to crack an egg?
Yes.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
JP.
My hair's a mess. I'm not taking off the hood.
No, that's fine.
So, alright, just explain what's going on.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we've got flour and all kinds of stuff in here. Please crack an egg for me.
She won't. Let her just hold it. You can. You don't need to crack it. Just hold it.
Okay, so what I need to do is crack an egg.
I told you she's gonna do the exact same thing that I do.